Number one, write an inequality that represents the graph at right. Looking at this graph, I have a straight line and one side of the line is shaded. So I know that this has to be of the form y and then some inequality symbol and then mx plus b, where m is your slope and b is the y-intercept of the line. So let's find that first. Notice that this graph is being scaled by 2 because we have the 4 here. So this would be 2, 4, 6, -2, -4, and such. And so the y-intercept in this case would be -2. So that -2 is going to go here. Let's draw a slope triangle to figure out what the slope is. I'm going to pick 2 lattice points. Draw my slope triangle. This is going up 2 units and over 4 units. Remember that my slope is my rise over my run. And if I reduce this, I can write it as 1/2. So my slope is 1/2. And now all I've got to do is figure out what inequality symbol goes after the y. Since we have a dashed line, this is either going to be greater than or less than. Not greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, because we'd need a solid line for that. Let's test a point to see what would work. I know that 0, 0 is a solution. So if I can plug 0, 0 into the inequality and figure out what sign to put there, then I'm done. Okay, so let's plug in 0 for y and 0 for x and see what inequality would make that true. So plug in 0 for y, 0 for x, simplify. Let's see, 1/2 times 0 is 0, and 0 minus 2 is -2. Is 0 greater than -2 or less than -2? It is greater than. And so the inequality that I need to have is greater than. So this is your final answer.